So, moments. In civil engineering, moments are the cause that causes angular deformation in a structure. Mathematically, if I am having a rod, suppose it is hinged at this point, and if I am applying a force F, now suppose length of rod is L, so you can say that moment about A due to the applied force will be equal to force into its perpendicular distance from point A, that is equals to L. Now sense of moment you can decide by right hand thumb rule, that is you direct your fingers in such a way that suppose here it is hinged, so this force will rotate the rod in this direction because it is hinged, so upward sense of force will rotate the rod in upward direction. So you curl your fingers in the direction of motion that the force causes the rod to rotate. So the finger will be this way. Now if your thumb is pointing upward, so the moment is upward, or you can say anti-clockwise. That is, if your thumb is pointing towards you, the moment will be referred to as anti-clockwise. Whereas if the same rod I am applying a force downwards F, so now if I curl my fingers of right hand along the direction of rotation, since the force will rotate now the rod in this direction, so I need to curl my fingers downward, so my thumb will point away from me, so you can say that sense of moment is clockwise. You can take any one of these sense as positive and any other as the negative. Now moment, as we say that it is mathematically it is force multiplied by perpendicular distance from the point about which moment has to be found out. So suppose this is my point and this is my applied force F, and suppose these are connected by some kind of lever arm. The lever arm is perpendicular to force, so you can say if this is my length L of lever arm, so F multiplied by L would be equals to moment about point O. But this definition we have also seen earlier, but we can say that if I extend this force to the same reference line as that of point, and suppose the force is inclined to horizontal with theta, then my vertical component, or you can say the component perpendicular to the line joining the force and point at which moment is to be found, that component would be f sin theta. And if this distance is known, r, suppose if theta is known, you can and this is right angle, you can work out the value of r based on L, that is L by r is equals to sin theta. So L by sin theta equals to r. So you can say that f sin theta, this force multiplied by this perpendicular distance r, would also be equals to moment about point O. And if mathematically we see f sin theta multiplied by value of r, that is L by sin theta, is equals to f into L. That is by definition what we have about original definition, that force multiplied by perpendicular distance